If you don't want to be average, build these 7 habits. Number 1, get into a deep work. Your focus is your currency. How you spend it is your biggest investment. Focus deeply on a task. Cut out all distraction and use your time wisely to get ahead. Number 2, optimize your time. Your time is your most powerful asset. Create system to save it, such as organizing tasks, automating emails, and using logical frameworks. Tools like Zapier for the efficiency. You can also use a Pabbly. Number 3, problem solving mindset. Solve problems by thinking about what you can control and how to make things better. This mindset helps you overcome obstacles. Number 4, be resourceful. In the internet era, ignorance is a choice. Google and YouTube are your best friend for answers and learning new skills. Solutions are at your fingertips. Number 5, create a high value network. Surround yourself with the people who inspire you and minimize time with those who hold you back, and your environment shapes your habit and mindset. Number 6, take care of yourself. Success is not just about work, it is about taking care of yourself. Exercise for your body, sleep for your mind, and meditation for your spirit. Number 7, read quality books. Read books regularly to gain knowledge and save yourself time and mistake in a long run.